of you!
Yes, it's true that I believe I'm weaker than I used to.
What do you mean by that?
I wear my heart out on my sleeve.
But you ain't shit without me.
Oh, now forget the rest of me.
Sorry.
Yes, there's times I've been afraid.
It wasn't fear of the pain.
And there's no harm in that, I pray. 'Cause I'm more frightened every day. Someone will take the hope I have away. But you gotta give it up to get off sometimes. Gotta give it up to get off sometimes. Gotta give it up to get off sometimes, I know. You gotta give it up to get off sometimes.
This is his fault.
Get off sometimes. Gotta give it up to get off sometimes, I know. All the times I've given in, you fit me like a second skin. One by one I will begin to wear you on the days I'm feeling thin. You better stop, stop, stop.
Back off!
You better stop, 'cause I've had enough, and I'm ready to forget the reasons that keep me here.
How am I supposed to throw at full speed with some tiny rookie as my target?
In the rain, be well, even if you're never gonna change. Good God, need a little love while you find.
I think that's enough practice for now! Let's call it a day, alright?
Wait a minute. So it's a bunch of underclassmen?
That's really your excuse for ignoring my signs? Easy.